He Govinda, He Gopal, He Govinda, Rakh Sharan, Ab to Jeevan Hare, Ab to Jeevan Hare, He Govinda, He Gopal.
That the material energy, it's all being supervised by the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And this is what Prabhupada is saying. So the scientists, they're not able to understand that, they're not able to accept that this energy is being controlled by a higher authority. Also in the 8th canto, Prabhupada says in his purports that, the sun is just rising on time because he's afraid of Krishna. He says, this is from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 8, Chapter 3, Text 15. This is in Prabhupada's purport. Even in this material world, we can understand that the sun has existed for millions of years and has given off heat and light since its creation. Yet the sun still retains its power and never changes. What then is to be said of the Supreme Cause, Param Brahma Krishna? Everything emanates from him perpetually, yet he maintains his original form, Sachidananda Vigraha. About Charles Darwin, and this is what Prabhupada says. He talks about nature. He says natural selection. This is his main point. Nature is choosing which species to survive and which species will die. This is what it's about. So Prabhupada asks that who is nature? We're saying nature, who is nature? So just look at Charles Darwin himself. He is saying that nature is choosing, but who is nature? Indirectly, he accepts that there's a superior power. He calls it nature. That's choosing which species would survive, which person will die, what will happen. So it is superior power that he's accepting. And these scientists go mad. They get bewildered by the law itself. Yet even if you can understand that he's saying nature, but who is nature? Who is nature? Nature is like so vague. But actually, this nature, Srimad Bhagavatam is talking about, it's material nature who's giving the entities bodies, but he's just saying nature. But even if he doesn't accept God, but it's leading to God. He's saying that there's a superior power who's choosing and who's controlling everything that's happening in nature. And so we can see that origin is Krishna. Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 6, Chapter 16, Text 46. This is the purport, and this is said by King Chitraketu. O unlimited Supreme Personality of Godhead, whatever a living entity does in this material world is well known to you because you are the Super Soul. In the presence of the sun, there is nothing to be revealed by the light of a glowworm. Similarly, because you know everything, in your presence there is nothing for me to make known. So we can see that everyone in this material world is like glowworms. Like what more can we say about the planet Earth? What more can we say about the sun, the stars? We spend so much time on astrology and so on. When Krishna is the knower of everything, he is the knower. This is the point Srimad Bhagavatam is saying. Can be revealed by a glowworm in the presence of the sun. Does it make sense? The light of a glowworm trying to compete or show off his light in front of the presence of the sun. So the Srimad Bhagavatam is also described as millions of suns. So let us accept this point that it's a very, very good verse. Although we see it repeated so many times, but it's being repeated for us to accept it again and again and offer our obeisances unto Krishna, who is the origin of everything and the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So Yes, like I said you about Rama, let us pay attention to him and what he says, and how these devotees, especially when you read, you should pay attention to how they start off their prayers, how they address Krishna, and what names they call him. So, yes, this is a very good verse.